shrimp is cooked fairly quickly. All I did was stir it around a little bit on each side, and once it was nice and pink, then they were ready to go. Now this next part I'm so upset about. I lost the clip where it shows that I placed my butternut squash veggie spiral inside my Instapot and then I put it to cook. So here's the finished product. The one thing I would do differently is that I cooked it for too long. I didn't take into consideration that these veggie spirals were already cooked, but regardless, it turned out amazing. I went ahead and cooked it first, and then I added the cut up cherry tomatoes and my broccoli, and then I just let it sit there for a little bit, closed it up just so that my other veggies could soften up, and I added a little Parmesan and mozzarella cheese. This meal is perfect if you're doing low fat, high fiber, if you're counting calories, if you're trying to do high protein. It was absolutely perfect. And there you have it, a meal full of vegetables and protein with that little kick from the actual red pepper flakes. It was just amazing. I highly recommend that you try this dish. It's so easy to make, and as you can see, it was extremely quick. It was so cheesy and delicious, and like I said before, it was very flavorful. Thanks so much for watching. If you like quick and easy recipes, please don't forget I post on Mondays and Thursdays.